Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Anthony and here we talk about all things preparedness, training, and education. And today we are talking concealed carry. This is a little bit different of video. I'm going to the bench. I haven't done that in several years, but I have a new holster system that I can conceal and carry my gun safely and effectively in any outfit that I want to carry, and I broke that down in a previous video. I'm going to link that down in the description below. So if you want to see all those outfits in the introduction to this video and how I actually accomplished that, you can check that link out down in the description below, and I'm going to pin it in the first comment. This video is an up close on the bench look at the materials and construction of that system that I used in that video, the ACS Adaptive Carry Solution, because it's so unique and it fits the bill for me for effective concealed carry, basically in gym shorts and a t-shirt all the way up to a full suit, as I showed you in the introduction. So if you want to see that video, it is again linked down in the description below and pinned in that first comment, along with the link to that holster system also. All right, so let's go to the bench and take a close-up look at the ACS holster. All right, we are on the bench, and this is a look at the ACS, or Adaptive Carry Solution holster by Tactipac. And this is going to give you a materials rundown. It's going to show you that it's built for real-world performance as compared to other holsters, and I'm going to show you that in depth. And so let's get right into it. First, what I want you to notice is it allows a full firing grip. And so this is purpose-built. This is not a gimmick holster, but if you notice the cuts, we make both a right and a left-hand version. This is a right-hand version. I'm going to start with a Glock 19, and so when that Glock 19 is fully in there and it's on your waistband, that wing allows you, as it's around your waist, to get a full firing grip on the gun and draw that gun. I'm going to show you that also with the Glock 43X MOS. Both of these guns are in a safe condition, by the way, and so it allows you again to get a full firing grip on the gun. Next, I want to show you the mag holder with a magazine inserted into it. It's a mil-spec elastic mag holder, and again, retention and retrieval is smooth when you need it to be smooth. All right, the next feature, and one of the most important features, is true trigger protection. And so I'm going to do some comparisons, but if you can see here, you cannot at all get your finger inside that trigger guard. Now, I want to show you. This gun is visually and physically inspected clear. No round in the chamber. Visually and physically inspected clear. And I'm going to show you one of the most advertised holsters. I'm not going to say most popular, but one of the most advertised holsters is this Vanish holster. And I want to show you the pocket, and then I want to show you, did you hear that? Yeah, that's right. Watch. That's the pocket on this thing. You can grab that trigger all day long, and that is a no-go at all. That is the Vanish holster. Take note of that. If you're carrying the Vanish holster, don't carry with one in the chamber. And if you're not carrying with one in the chamber, you might as well be carrying a rock or a paperweight. And so that's a no-go. You cannot come anywhere near the trigger in this, and that is because I have a cutaway here I'm going to show you of the pocket. This is the actual pocket material, half sewn. It has 2 layers of 1000 denier cordura, and then it has a layer of polygrid material similar to polypropylene, a stiff layer of plastic, and then it has a layer of closed cell polyurethane foam. And those together make a better than leather material. And then when it's sewn in that X fashion, you cannot get to the trigger. And then the other side of the holster, same. It has the same layers inside of it and an additional layer of comfort fabric on the backer. And so your firearm is sandwiched between true trigger protection that you can rely on that will protect your life from an accidental or negligent discharge. Again, I'm going to show you, this is a popular belly band type holster off of Amazon. It's one of the cheapest ones you can get. And there's your pocket. And, okay, that should tell you how easy that is. You introduce something on the exterior or the interior, or you just mess up, you can access that trigger. And that is a no-go. So these belly band type holsters, while they pitch you comfort, they are not safe. They are unsafe. The ACS holster, it gives you true trigger protection. It's designed for everyday carry with real, better than leather structure and coverage. It's not just flimsy fabric or elastic. It actually has true trigger guard coverage. Let's go on to the independent belt system. Again, this holster has no clips. It is a true full tuckable holster. And I want to show you the design here that this belt with these comfort cuffs, let me move those out of the way, and I'm going to show you the adjustment on these belts. To move these cuffs out of the way, they're designed to be very tight, and for a purpose I'm going to show you in the future, but you just lift that over, and then you lift, stretch this over. These are neoprene comfort cuffs. They keep these buckles from contacting your skin. And so you pull that over and get it out of the way. And then when you need to adjust this from 32 to 48 inches, you have a gross adjust that you can adjust this all the way out. And then that makes all the way out to 48 inches. And then once you adjust, you can move that comfort cuff down, and you can see where we're going here, and put it over the top of that buckle and over the top of this buckle together. And that will allow you not to feel those buckles against your skin at all. And they're tight. They're supposed to be tight because they also prevent you from loosening or changing the belt size once you get it set. And so you can see how that works. Just like that. And that covers that from touching your skin. All right, so back to the adjustment portion. If you want to adjust it back to a smaller size, you pull it out just like you would any other adjust through a tri-glide like that. And then your comfort cuffs go over your buckles. I'm going to show you that. But it is an independent belt system, which means no clips, nothing to show. You get true concealment without any compromise because this is independent of your clothing. All right. So you put that cuff in place just like that. And then the second one, same way. And there you go. That's what those comfort cuffs look like installed. And again, they help prevent this belt from backing off once you get it sized, but then you also have Velcro sizing. And so you have 6 inches of hook Velcro and 12 inches of loop. And so altogether, all those adjustments provide 32 inches to 48. You might be able to squeak a little bit each other way, but comfortably 32 to 48 inch integrated belt, and it keeps the holster stable that way. And so this is designed where you want all 6 inches of hook attached to the loop field, either there or all the way down, whichever size adjustment you need. And again, you have 6 inches of hook, 12 inches of loop. So what this integrated belt system does, it makes this invisible even with a tucked in shirt. All right, so this holster comes basically with no add-ons needed. The only add-on that you could use with this if you need to, but you don't have to, is a wedge. And if you already have a wedge for an existing holster that has a hook field on it, then you can use that in this holster. And basically the way you do that, insert the gun into the holster, see where the muzzle rides, and then you can put that wedge on there. And that'll help reduce printing on the horizontal plane of the gun. The back of this holster is already hook compatible, loop I guess you'd call it, but the backer accepts hook Velcro, no problem at all. So that's the only other add-on you might need, but basically it has already an integrated mag holder, as I told you. And you can see it has a full sweat guard, including most optics you can run on this, no problem at all. And the full sweat guard has, inside the layers, it has coated layers, and it does actually prevent sweat from contacting your firearm. So your firearm is completely safe from contact from liquid, from sweat from your body. All right, as you can see, it's also built with premium materials. This is 1000D Cordura on the outer shell. It's rugged, it's abrasion resistant, and it is super durable, and it offers real trigger protection. That's why we call it better than leather, because we have that closed cell foam internal core, and we have that poly liner, and then we have 2 layers of 1000D Cordura. We have mil-spec elastic in the magazine retention system, which makes it secure, flexible, and gives you smooth reloads, whether it's a single stack or a double stack. It is going to adapt to your magazine because of its elastic properties. And so you still get a smooth reload every single time, no matter the size of your magazine. And so then the whole thing is comfort-focused construction. It's designed for extended wear without irritation and for comfortable all-day carry. And that's what you want, because if you'll carry all day, you're going to be able to protect yourself all day, and you have to be comfortable to do so. And so just to recap, you have full and true trigger protection. You can get a full firing grip on the gun every single time, and so it gives you accessibility. It gives you simplicity in the way that you can adjust it and wear it. And again, if you haven't seen that video, link down in the description below, where you can conceal in any outfit from a suit down to gym shorts. And then the construction is built to last, so it's simplicity in design and durability in design. All right, that is the ACS Holster Adaptive Carry Solution. It is the solution that adapts to your clothing instead of you having to adapt your clothing to carry your gun. Hey, if this video was helpful, would you like this video, share this video with someone that you love or someone that might need to have this information? And if you would, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. That really helps the algorithm for YouTube. Hey, as always, I want to thank you for making the choice to defend yourself and those you love. God bless you and yours.